That's a little shelf. Bahay tayo.
Now we're here. What's your name?
Did you hear him laugh? Number. Yeah.
Right there. You can see it.
Oh no. Let's not bother. Oh, say it's more.
You can see the claws back there.
Where's the claws? I see the claws. Hello, Tiger. They're gonna spray us? I don't know. Wait, what are they gonna spray us? I don't know. Let's just watch it up. Mom, Dad, we're going to farm.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How are y'all doing today? My name's Peter. I'm joined up here today by Trip and Gabby. We're all members of the Fortworth Zoo's elephant team. Welcome to the 2 p.m. demonstration. Today, for your demonstration, we have 3 of our elephants, 2 of our adult females, and 1 of our juvenile male calves. So up front and center, we have both Bluebonnet and Angel. So we're doing a little musical elephants, just give us a sec here. So right up front and center, like I said, this is Bluebonnet and Angel. Bluebonnet is the elephant on the left, Angel's the elephant on the right. Bluebonnet was the first elephant ever born here at the Fortworth Zoo. That was in 1998. Angel here is Bluebonnet's kind of best friend. She's not related to Bluebonnet or any of our elephants, but she is, she kind of acts like the resident aunt to the young ones, which is really good. Helps keep them in line. Speaking of young ones, the little elephant on the far left over there, that is Brazos. That is Bluebonnet's second calf. He was born 2 years ago, so he's just a little over 2 years old. Brazos weighs approximately 2,500 pounds. He is a big growing boy, so that's good. So what we're doing here is we're just giving you a little demonstration. This is some of the training that we do with our elephants. Now, all this training is known as husbandry training, or training that helps us take care of these guys. So as you're watching Gabby and Chip, they're giving commands, asking for different behaviors. Trip has a target pole in his hand. That's what that red stick is. We call it a target pole. It acts as an extension of our arm, but it also gives the elephant a focal point, something to focus on while they're doing the behavior. So when you watch here, Gabby, she's using verbal and hand cues for asking for these different behaviors. Now these behaviors, as you see them, like having them lift up their feet, this particular behavior, Bluebonnet is performing. This is called stretch. This is where the elephant goes down on all fours. This is super helpful to us because it helps us look at their head, the top of their back, and puts them at eye level with us. Our largest elephant, Romeo, he is almost 10 feet tall, so there's no way we can see the top of his back. So we have him do different behaviors where he can lower his head, where we can get a good look. Having them lift their feet is another really important behavior. We do regular footwork on these guys. What I mean by footwork is basically they each get manicures and pedicures, but on a much larger scale. It's really important to keep their feet healthy. The feet support their entire body, so keeping those healthy is really, really important. As you're looking at them, especially Angel right here, you notice all that hay and dirt she's got on her back. That is something that elephants do. It's one of their natural behaviors. It's called dust bathing. They will throw sand and hay and other debris on their back throughout the day. You'll especially see it during the hotter months. It is a way to help keep them cool. It actually provides a barrier between their skin and the sun, kind of like sunblock. Believe it or not, every morning before these guys come out on the exhibit, we give them a bath. We put them through demonstration. If you are headed out to another part of the zoo, we hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and have a good day. Thank you.